Blessed morning, people. I hope you guys are doing extremely well this morning. I hope you're ready to take on the road with me today, people. You see it? Yeah, man, because we're going to do it. Alright, so you don't know any people want to feel like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment to the video because it's like an epic, you see it, people. So just go and big up on yourself and stay tuned. Good afternoon, mom.
But I run down one bush. I could have taken calico down, but me not run it down.
Yeah. And that's what they don't?
Yeah, but me not run it down.
True.
That plaza me I go steal, but can't run it down, yeah, man.
Yeah. Because you don't have to walk from the bus stop to run at the mall.
Yeah, you decide to do it, but can't bother.
Them young man in no hurry, you know. And you see how them are broke the traffic and go on. And them are in no hurry. But them say we are do it. A hell and powder house. Then I say what going. Yeah, people, so then at the mall. Then at the mall, I'm going to do a look at transaction. You see, man? I did my thing proper. Where I think matters. No, general, no, I'm not do that. I'm not do that. No, do that, man. I'm not do that, my general, man. I cool him, man. Oh, I'm just thing I work. You see, man? Thing I work, my boss. So, place. You don't think much place, you understand? Oh, it's one again. Morning time, bro. I'm a friend. Better sneakers all up.
No, the one shoes I did want in bit, you know, right side. So
Shoes are versatile, you know.
huh?
What kind of shoes are look?
Clean, bro.
Oh, blue. But I look like Africa work with a black, you know. I see that.
Yeah. But me already have black shoes already, bro. Like me already have black shoes already. Get some blue. I guess.
Alright. Make a roll. Scheme. Yeah, man. Eh?
And that scheme did always live.
Yeah.
I always think that where spending come from.
Yeah, my people, so we are stroll through mall. It's my friend I look at shoes to buy. I'm touching a funeral tomorrow, you see it. Just see step can assist him still.
Oh, that's what we do.
Yo, may I make a shoe because somebody away from me. Really? Yeah, people, so I just do one transaction at the Portmore Mall and say, me I run go for fella now, cause a friend showed me. You know, me I buck up on my friend them over here. Say I try all her shoes for the funeral tomorrow. You see me? Because the drop out is it. I'm saying I look at shoes, but can't see and search for the shoe store. Come here for shoe out. These are my people. So you don't know, you know. Just go on lock in and do gonna my people. Is it? Yeah man. We'll do road now. See that? Yeah. So people, I just got a call from Nickoi teacher a while ago informing me that his forehead got burst by another student. You see me? So I make my way over there right now because I'm really angry. Really angry right now, people, because the fact is when a stone throw, it can hit anywhere. Right? So the fact that it is his forehead and it's so close to his eyes, right, make me really, well, I'm glad that it's his forehead still in and not his eyes, you know, because if I did them eyes, you know, a more serious thing. You get me? So I make my way down there now, go, you know, analyze the situation and whatever. You see me? So just go and stay to my people. Alright, which way are we gonna go now?
Just wait until we reach that two-way part or three-way part.
Shoes, there's a two-way here. Where are we gonna go now? See, you don't know where.
But
See?
I was pointing in front of us.
It was pointing that way.
I didn't point that way. I'm pointing in front of us like this.
Listen, use a finger here. Use your finger to point where you're going. So, guys, I picked him up and, you know, saw the situation, and teacher said that she would get it sorted out with the parent and the principal. So what I must do is just take him to the nearest health center, you know, doctor's office or anything, and get it sorted out and bring them like receipt or so, doctor's receipt, yeah, something like so, yeah. So here's Nickoi, guys, and Nickoi show you his forehead. Show them the forehead. See it?
Right around here. This.
You saw that big people, and look how close it is to his eyes. Alright, you see how kids can do some things to get their parents in problem though. Yeah? And to be honest, you know, it could have happened to even me as well as parent, because children will be children at the end of the day. You know, them play around and, you know, do some things where, you know, more time put you in a problem. You see me? Because the children, them, you know. But I don't know. I don't know how me would react to the situation if you know, it was the other way around. You know, but I'm gonna try to resolve the situation as calm as possible and best as possible. You know, even though the situation isn't a minor issue. because it could be worse than it is. You get me? Yeah. So I gotta resolve it, people, as best as possible. So people, I am challenging Nickoi to find his mother's house, to direct me to his mother's house. So just stay tuned. Let's just see if he knows where he's going.
Yeah, I should pointed down.
When we were at the roundabout a while ago, we pointed to the right and we went to the left. So what did you do then?
I did this.
Alright, so
And then
alright. So which way are we gonna go now? Finger should be straight, not bent.
Oh, I was actually pointing. Look, this is straight. Then what is this? Obviously pointing to the right. See my fingers like this. Not like this. I mean, I get 3 right and 2 wrong.
No, 1 right and 3 wrong.
No, you did remember what you said, the promise. No, I don't remember that you said a promise, but you said I got 2 right.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm never did get 2. You said I got 2 right and 2 wrong. I obviously was pointing right here, so look. It's obviously pointing to the right, and I'm bending my hand to make it look even more obvious that I'm pointing to the right. That means it's obviously the right point, and that was the way you went.
Yeah.
That means I was obviously right.
Yeah, so Nickoi did a lousy job directing me over to his mother. He did a lousy job. So reaching. Take road as a 3 and 4 lane sometime, you know. Police look like they won't catch 2 of them. People, I mean, it's the end of another day for people, and you know, the day turns out to be a disaster, as you can see, you know, pertaining to what happened to Nickoi. Things could have escalated much more different, you know, in a negative way, but we just give thanks that things is how it is, you know. Yeah, man. So other than that, everything went alright. Other than that, people, you know, I went out and I did a good days of work. Yeah. So that is it, people. So me just make the people them know, so they must continue give me the support, and you know, like, sharing and subscribing. Share a comment, please, share your comments, people. Yeah. So by that being said, guys, you know, just continue doing the good work, and hope you guys enjoy the rest of your night and stay safe.